All right, guys, if you are worried about your important documents, like everyone should be, and making sure they are safe in case of, a catastrophe at your house, maybe, worst case scenario, a fire or a flood or something like that, this is a SentrySafe lockbox. All right, so it's going to be fireproof. Comes with the keys right here. You can see got plenty of room in here to put all your important documents, valuables, car titles, vehicle titles, things of that nature. So definitely something to consider. You can take a look at it right here. This is solid, heavy duty. This is a heavy, strong box, security box here from SentrySafe right here. So again, if you don't have something to protect your valuables, your important documents, UL classified fire protection. So it is definitely going to be something that's going to keep your documents safe from fire. It can handle it. Not intended to store any kind of weapons in the box. That's not its intended purpose. But the main thing is fire safe. That is definitely something that you want to do. You can close it up right here. Got a little lock. So now it's locked tight. From SentrySafe, a lockbox, strong box for your valuables, important documents. Definitely something to take a look at. If you don't have one, you might want to take a look at getting one of these.